Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a picture as a sticker on your iPhone. Now make sure that your iOS is updated. Okay, now click on the photos. Now open up the photo that you want to make as a sticker. Suppose I want to make this photo as a sticker on my iPhone. Okay, it will show up everywhere, inside WhatsApp, inside Instagram. Okay, now once you open it, simply tap and hold onto the subject here. Okay, just like this. And once you tap and hold, then you can see three options right here. Okay, add sticker. So it will only select the person in focus. Okay, just like this. Click on add sticker option here, and now you can see the sticker option is added just like here. Okay, you can see at the uh, left side. Okay, so now you can simply close it. So if I go to my WhatsApp here, okay, self, and click on the option, now you can see right here preparing the sticker. Now you can see the sticker is right here. Okay, so this is how easily you can convert a picture into a sticker on your iPhone. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.